Guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to discuss about OOPS using Java. Basically, OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming. So, in this continuing series, we will see that what is Object Oriented Programming, how you can build that concept of Object Oriented Programming, what is object, and how can you create object, and how can you play with objects. That is basically using Java. In this playlist, those video I gonna to upload will be on based on your exam point of view. So I'll make sure that there will be a little bit of theory as well as some sort of code, so that it will be a great point of view for your exam. If you are gonna to write something on your exam paper, then I'll make sure that it is be helpful for you. So let's talking about start with the course object oriented programming with Java. So let's first start with what is Java and why we are how it's different from other languages. Let's talking about Java. So basically, we will not go that much of details when Java was created and why Java was created, but I can give you two simple examples that why Java is created. Yeah, why what is Java? So basically, Java stands for write your code once, and run it anywhere. That is the basic simple logic principle of Java. Means only one time you need to write your code, further you can execute in any system. That is the simple concept of Java, that making it platform independent. So we'll see what is platform independent and how it Java called platform independent. Let's see. So basically, Java provides this is an diagram as you can see. So let's talk about what is JDK and what is this is. So basically, this is a very simple concept, and if a question comes to your exam that they explain JDK, JVM, JRE, then I'll make sure that you can easily explain these things. Let's start. So basically, the main block of Java, that is JDK, which is called Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit is the simple meaning of JDK, that is Java Development Kit. Inside that, as you can see, JRE is there and all necessary libraries are there. So what is JRE? JRE is Java Runtime Environment. That means when you are writing the Java code, it will provide a runtime environment for you executing your code. Here in JRE plus one compiler is provided with the JDK. That is the simple concept of JDK. Inside JDK there is JRE plus compiler is there, and in JRE there is Java virtual machine and library classes are there. Don't worry guys, if these things is getting more theoretical, I'll make sure that when we are gonna to implement the code properly, if when we are going to deep dive to this concept, then we'll get to know everything in details. But for the timing, just you remember there is a JDK, there is a big container. Inside that there is a small container which is named as JRE. Inside that there is another small container, that is JVM. If a question comes in your exam, then you have to draw this diagram properly. That's simply, if it is a 5-mark question, then you need to just draw these 3 diagrams, but then you just simply explain that JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and it provides Java runtime environment for executing the code. Then comes to JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environments. What is Java Runtime Environment? It provides an environment for our program to execute the code. Then further, JVM is there. JVM, which is basically stand for Java Virtual Machine. Here, the thing is that this here makes a very critical role to play the Java as a Java platform independent programming language. Suppose we have write a code in Java. So how it going to be work? So let's see. So suppose I have a Java program. Suppose I have written a Java program here. So how it will be going to be execute? Java program will first go through the compiler. It will convert to the bytecode. For this bytecode will be go through the JVM. That is, as I mentioned, that is Java Virtual Machine. Inside this, there is an interpreter is there. So it will convert this bytecode into machine code. This is the simple architecture of the Java. So if you are writing a Java program, then if it is going to the compiler, then compiler will check the whole code, not as we know that Python will go line by line, but in case of compiler it will entirely check the code. If there is a error, then it will throw, otherwise if there is no error, then it will simply execute the code. Further, this compiler will help to execute the Java program into bytecode. Further, when the bytecode is created, mention my word, when the bytecode is created, it will go to the Java virtual machine. Java is platform independent. Then how it is platform independent? Suppose you know that there are various type of operating systems are there. Operating system or platform means Windows are there, Linux are there, Mac OS is there. So these are the platform independent. Sorry, these are the platforms. So how Java it is going to be platform independent? That means when you have a bytecode after running the compiler, when you have the bytecode, if Java Linux has the own JVM, Windows has the own JVM, all has the own JVM, but the concept is that JVM is not platform independent. You are in class 7. Suppose you are in class 7 and you know that there are section A, section B, section C. Suppose there are 3 different sections, but there are maybe for 3 sections there will be 3 different math teachers are there. 3 different math teachers are there. For A, one math teacher is assigned. For B, another math teacher is assigned. For C, another math teacher is assigned. As you can see, this math teacher is not same as this math teacher, but the role of this math teacher, this math teacher is same. That means they are here to explain you and teach you the mathematics. That's the simple role of JVM here. JVM is here to execute the bytecode to machine code. That means JVM is here to convert your bytecode to the machine code. I hope you are clear with this concept, how the Java programming is working, and what is JDK, JRE and JVM. I hope if the question comes to your exam, then you can easily write this flow. Thank you for watching this video. In next video we'll see that what is OOPS, what is class and what is object, and we will write a program using Java. And I'll make sure you guys it is on your exam point of view. So if the question comes into your exam, then you can easily rewrite these things and you can easily explain in your own language. Whatever you have understood here, you just need to write those things in your exam. That's it. Thank you for watching.